reporting live in London as we pack up and end the BI Summit 2010 here in London. Lots of great sessions, but there are three types of sessions that I thought were particularly good. The first one was what they call end-user sessions, which are about organizations sharing with their peers what they've learned and how you can succeed as well in business intelligence. The best session for me was British American Tobacco done by Eddie Short. So if you could get a hold of Eddie Short or even get a hold of his content, lots of learnings in that presentation. The second one was what they called the panel, where they share the vision of where vendors are going to be and also what analysts think about the space over the next 10 years. So for people that interacted with me on the video blog on the future of BI by 2010, you'll be very happy because lots of very close connection between what you think and what vendors as well as analysts do. Great job by James Richardson here, one of the Gartner analysts that animated this panel, and lots of very clear indication of the future of BI, very close to the predictions that you had around mobile and the fact that we'll have more and more usage and the transformation of culture, people getting more used to using data to make better decisions. The third one that I thought was very well done as well was Nigel Rayner's session on performance-driven culture. Gartner came out in November with research on the fact that culture has an impact on your performance. In fact, it predicts that it could allow an organization to outperform the competition by 30% by 2015. So it's a great prediction, and it's also an indication that the space is paying attention to this idea of culture. And as many of you know, that is the basis on which we wrote our book called Drive Business Performance. So what I want to do in close is invite you to connect with us on the LinkedIn Culture of Performance group, and they'll be here on the top left in the description of this video, a way for you to connect to us and continue this ongoing conversation on the things that go beyond technology, the things that are needed for culture to help your organization succeed. I want to be clear as well that culture is not a substitute for strategy. Strategy is very important, but unfortunately what we see is organizations elaborate very complex strategy and very rarely actually see the strategy being executed because they have certain barriers. One of them, and a major one as we found in our research, is culture. So we're hoping to help you take down that barrier and learn from your peers in this LinkedIn community, and I'd like to invite all of you to join us. Until next time, I'm Bruno Aziza.